Hello, scientists! Today, we are going to explore pond, lake, and river animals. Ponds, lakes, and rivers are all freshwater habitats. But are they exactly the same? And how do animals survive in each place? Let's explore, create, and express together. First, what is a freshwater habitat? Freshwater is water that has very little salt, unlike ocean water. Ponds, lakes, and rivers are freshwater habitats where many living things can survive. Animals need three important things in their habitat: water, food, and shelter. They need water to live. They find food, such as plants, insects, and smaller animals. They also need shelter, such as reeds, rocks, logs, and water plants, to hide and stay safe. A habitat is not just a home. It gives animals what they need to survive. Let's explore a pond habitat. A pond is usually small, shallow, and still. That means the water does not move very much. Ponds are wonderful homes for frogs, turtles, insects, and many small animals. A frog can sit on a lily pad, jump into the water, and catch insects nearby. A turtle may rest on a log or rock to warm its body in the sun. Plants like lily pads and reeds grow well around ponds. These plants give animals places to hide, rest, and find food. Why do you think frogs and turtles like ponds? Because ponds give them calm water, food, shelter, and safe places to rest. Now let's explore a lake habitat. A lake is usually bigger and deeper than a pond. A lake can have shallow water near the shore and deeper water farther out. Ducks often float on the surface of a lake. Their webbed feet help them paddle through the water. Their feathers help keep water away from their bodies. Fish live underwater in lakes. Fish use their gills to take oxygen from the water. They use their fins to steer and swim. Lakes can be homes for many different animals because they have open water, shoreline plants, and deeper underwater spaces.
Next, let's explore a river habitat. A river is different from a pond and a lake because river water flows. Moving water is called a current. The current moves water downstream. Animals living in rivers must be able to live with moving water. River fish often have strong, streamlined bodies that help them swim through the current. Frogs and turtles may stay near calmer areas, rocks or riverbanks. Rocks and plants along the riverbank provide hiding places and resting spots. Rivers can also carry oxygen through moving water, which helps many fish breathe and survive. So remember, a pond is usually still. A lake is larger and can be deeper. A river flows.
Animals have special body parts and behaviors called adaptations. Adaptations help animals survive in their habitats. A frog has strong back legs. These legs help it jump on land and swim in water. A duck has webbed feet. Its webbed feet help it paddle across ponds and lakes. Its feathers help keep its body protected from water. A fish has gills and fins. Gills help it breathe underwater, and fins help it swim and turn. A turtle has a hard shell. Its shell helps protect its body. A turtle may also climb onto a rock or log to warm itself in the sun. Each animal has special features that help it live in a freshwater habitat. Now it is your turn to think like a scientist. First, create. Sort the animals into a pond, lake, or river habitat. Remember, some animals may live in more than one freshwater habitat, so be ready to explain your thinking. Next, draw your own freshwater habitat. Will you draw a pond, a lake, or a river? Add water, plants, and animals to your picture. You can draw lily pads, reeds, rocks, frogs, ducks, fish,
or turtles. Then express what you learned. You can say, a frog lives in a pond. A fish survives in water because it has gills. A pond is different from a river because a river has moving water. Scientists observe, create, and explain their ideas.
Great job, scientists! Today, we learned about ponds, lakes, and rivers. We discovered that they are all freshwater habitats, but they have different features. We learned how frogs, ducks, fish, and turtles use adaptations to survive. Now you know that freshwater animals need water, food, shelter, and space to live. Keep exploring nature, keep asking questions, and keep learning science with joy. Like and subscribe for more Flow Space 101 lessons. Go with the flow!